Simply put, the more you complain, the harder it will be for you to make more money. The more you are grateful, the easier it will be for you to make more money. Period. The easiest way and the fastest way to bring more good in your life, to be luckier, to feel like you are the luckiest person in the world, to be more lucky, is gratitude. The more you are grateful for the things you have right now in your life, the more you will have to be grateful for. It's simple. It's almost mathematical. So try it out and see how it goes for you. Let's say right now you are sad or neutral. Your life might be depressing or at the best neutral, a bit dull, a bit boring. If you just allow yourself to be a bit more grateful, you are adding light, liveliness to your life, excitement, joy to your life. So by virtue of just being a little bit more grateful, this gratitude will progressively grow stronger and firmer. So you start by being grateful and your life can slowly change altogether. So if you are right now in a state of dullness, of boredom, try out gratitude. The antidote to fear and worry is gratitude. When you firmly decide that you will not let that fear and those worries consume you and overwhelm you, and you decide to choose that attitude of gratitude, to be thankful here and now, and do not let yourself vanquish by all those negative emotions. Gratitude is much stronger than fear and worries. So choose even a little bit of a time to be more grateful and see how fear dissipates. No matter what negative emotions you are feeling right now, whether it's envy, worries, fear, all that stuff can be neutralized by virtue of practicing gratitude. So you don't need to take my word for it. Just try it out. Slowly but definitely, surely, your life will get better, and those emotions that you were overwhelmed by will slowly dissipate. Because fear is one thing, envy is one thing. All those negative emotions are things that are not as strong as the positive emotion of gratitude. However, you need to put it in practice. Nobody can force you, coerce you, make you be more grateful. It is something that you have to put effort in.